take the paper from the court about you can release for another company. Okay? This is the fighting is done now. Okay? This is the book. It's the order from the court to can release for every company you want.
And then,
No talk with
how,
you.
it's all ready to transfer?
Alas, this two paper,
How
one
many,
from the
how many days?
Alas, Nanta, you can send the first paper for the Ministry for the Police to remove that opportunity case for you. Another paper to the Shu'an to transfer to another company.
Ako si Dominic Tuason. Nung time na nag-file kami kay Mr. Talan, may problema kami sa trabaho namin because sa salary namin, sa passport, lahat wala kami layoff. Kaya nagpatulong kami kay Mr. Talan para ma-release kami. Almost 2 years. Ngayon, okay na yung papel namin. Habang panahon din po yung nangyari sa amin na to. Na rin po kami na gusto namin mag-embassy para po umuwi na dahil sa daming problema dito sa Kuwait. Ngayon, masaya po ako ngayon na nakuha ko yung release paper ko para makapagtrabaho ulit kami ng maayos. Hindi na po kami natakot sa labas. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat po kay Mr. Talang Almontayari na i-release po yung papel na. Thank you
So,
very
these
much.
are really finish your case. And we are happy who you are for this situation. Alhamdulillah.
Shukran.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Talan, na napanalo niyo yung case namin na bibigyan kami ng babies. Almost 2 years para dito sa release paper ko. Ngayon, tapos na. Maraming salamat kay Mr. Talan. Mo tayo rin sa lawyer. Thank you.